Assalamualaikum guys. So today we are going to cut this down and we are going to use this brand new mini chainsaw. Okay, the first step is Brian is kira dia Bray. Bray is going to tie the roof there so that this tree will not fall down here. So we have to topple this down over this side. So we're going to use this roof. Good. So we're going to this side here. Okay. Ikaw tig video tam.